everyone. My name is Tunisa Matsedik-Qira, and I just want to say everyone be strong, because we are all living in fear just because of this Wuhan virus. I just want to say be strong, and this Wuhan virus will be end one day. Did you wake up and cry because you have to stay at home? Please stay calm, because you are safe and not infected by the Chinese Communist Party virus yet. But imagine, millions of innocent Uyghurs are still in the modern day concentration camps, and no one knows the inhuman condition they are living in. Also, I just want to ask, are you bored? Please do something that makes you enjoy and that makes you happy. If you know my situation, I promise you will be so scared so much, because I can't even talk to my family members in my back country is Turkistan, because Chinese Communist Party cut off all our communications, internet. Do you miss your friend? I am sure you do. Imagine how much more you would miss them if you were stuck and alone in small prison cell just because of you have traveled outside of China. This condition and this situation right now, all Uyghur peoples are facing in the Chinese Communist Party's region. I also want to say, I imagine being so scared to wake up, and I look up the news about Uyghurs, because of being Uyghurs, educated under Chinese Communist Party's communism ideology. Only Uyghur people understand Chinese Communist Party kills thousands of Uyghur people, including children, in one night by cuts off all internet communications. Also disguise the world by propaganda. Imagine crying your eyes out and having panic attack, because in your back country everything and everyone is so uncertain. Growing danger of dark prejudice are becoming so normal in these days because of our ignorance and silence. Silence helps no one. Silence feeds only tyranny, like Chinese Communist Party. It's time for international community, and it's time for all of us stand together and bring Chinese Communist Party to International Court of Justice. I ask everyone to stand with Uyghurs. Pray for us. Thank you.